Welcome to Fireplace Doors Online, your one-stop shop for all things fireplace. Today we're going to share with you some of our best-selling doors at winning prices such as the Ardmore. Upgrade your masonry fireplace with the modern and stylish Ardmore Fireplace Door, manufactured by HearthCraft Essentials. This set of sleek fireplace doors brings contemporary elegance to your hearth, featuring a clean, minimalist design that enhances the look and value of your home. Heavy-duty steel frame. Made from 16-gauge steel, the frame measures 3 inches wide by 1 deep for a sturdy, durable build. High-temperature powder coating. Finished in a sleek flat black for a modern, clean look. Trackless bifold doors. Full swing doors that open 180 degrees for a full view of the fire. Smoke-tempered safety glass. 3/16 thick glass that hides the firebox when not in use. Pre-installed mesh panel doors. Provide added safety by keeping sparks contained. Hidden damper controls. Discreetly control airflow for energy efficiency and comfort. Easy installation with optional riser bar, fully assembled with mounting hardware included. The riser bar is designed to ensure the door fits a wide range of fireplace opening heights. Depending on the size of your fireplace, the riser bar may not need to be installed. Crafted with precision, the Ardmore Fireplace Door features trackless, full-swing bifold doors that open 180 degrees for an unobstructed view of the fire. The smoke-tempered safety glass conceals the firebox when not in use, offering a refined look. Easy grip handles and pre-installed mesh cabinet doors add both functionality and safety, while the hidden damper controls allow for seamless airflow regulation. If you have some questions about the Ardmore or any one of our products, comment below and we'll give you the info. Stay tuned to our channel for more fireplace solutions here at Fireplace Doors Online. Don't forget to like and subscribe.